Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show the execution of factorial of a given number using while loop. So first of all, what is meant by a factorial? So factorial of a given number is the product of all values from that number to 1. Okay. So here for example, here I have taken a value of 3. Okay. So the 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. That is the product of all its preceding numbers from 3. Right? So 3 into 2 into 1 is 6. So 3 factorial is 6. Okay, like this we have to calculate the factorial of a given number. So where we will use this factorial means in mathematics we have a concept called as permutations and combinations. There we will use this factorial. Okay, now let me show the execution of a factorial of a given number using while loop. Okay, now let me explain this code. Okay, so first of all we have to include the header files stdio and conio.h. Next, coming to the main function, here I am declaring three variables num, I and fact. Both I and fact are initialized to 1. So num is the variable for which number you want to find the factorial. Okay, and I is the looping variable which I am going to use. That means it is an iterative variable which I am going to use in the loop. Okay, and fact is assigned with 1. Okay, so now using scanf the user can enter that number for which number he or she wants to find the factorial. That number they can enter during runtime. Okay, so here see, while I is less than or equal to num, suppose if the user wants to find the factorial of 3. Okay, so user wants to find the factorial for 3 factorial. Okay, see, while I is less than or equal to num, I is 1, right, less than or equal to 3, as a user enter the value of 3, num is now assigned with 3. So 1 is less than or equal to 3, the condition is true here. Okay, so fact equal to fact into 1, that means fact equal to, see, fact equal to fact is assigned with 1 and fact into I is also assigned with 1. So fact is now holding a value of 1 into 1, that is 1. The fact variable stores a value of 1. So here I plus plus. So what is I plus plus? I plus plus means I equal to I plus 1. That is the meaning for I plus plus. So I is already holding a value of 1, right? So 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now I value is assigned with 2, fact is assigned with 1. So again the cursor goes to the while loop. Okay, so I is 2, right? So 2 is less than or equal to num is 3, right? So 2 is less than or equal to 3, condition is true. Again it comes to here, fact equal to fact into I, fact is 1 and I is now 2. So fact equal to 1 into 2, that is 2. Now fact variable is holding a value of 2. I equal to I plus 1, I is 2, right? So 2 plus 1, that is, sorry, I equal to now I plus 1, that means 2 plus 1, that equals to 3. So I is assigned with 3. Again the cursor goes to the while loop. Okay, 3 is less than or equal to 3, condition is true. Here we have equals to also. Okay, so the condition is true. So fact equal to fact into I, fact is 2, I is 3. So 2 into 3, that is fact is holding a value of 6. I equal to I plus 1, I is 3, 3 plus 1, that is now I becomes 4. Okay, I becomes now 4. So again the cursor goes to the while loop. 4 is less than or equal to 3, condition is false. So if the condition is false, the cursor comes out of the loop. So here printf the factorial of a given number is fact. So what is the value that is stored in fact? 6. 6 is printed on the output screen. Okay, that means the factorial for 3 is 6. So like this we have to execute the program. Okay, let me compile the code, no errors. Let me run the code. So see here, enter number 3. So the factor of the number is 6. Okay, so like this we have to write the code for factorial of a number using while loop. Okay, thank you.